Good evening. Before we begin, if you are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and press the like button. It costs you nothing. It cost me approximately 40 years of dignity to ask. And yet, here we are.
Yeah, what she said. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, all of it. It genuinely helps us out. Okay, so tonight we have a guest.
We do, against my better judgment.
Aye, she invited me.
I did not.
You said, and I recall this clearly, Angus, the door is always open.
That is an expression. It does not mean...
The door was open. I came in. These seem related.
Folks, this is Angus. He's a Selkie from the Scottish Highlands. He mishears everything. And tonight, that is actually perfect, because today's episode, 5 ways to say you didn't understand someone, and which one to use when.
Phrase 1. Sorry, with a rising intonation. This is the standard British response when you have not heard or understood something. It is polite, it is neutral. It signals that you need repetition without implying fault on either side.
Yeah, and it's super common. You'll hear it constantly in the UK. Someone says something, you didn't catch it. Sorry? That's it. Clean, easy.
I do not understand why one apologizes for another person speaking.
You are not apologising. The sorry is...
In the sea, if you do not hear something, you simply wait. The ocean repeats everything eventually.
That's actually kind of beautiful. But on land, we say, sorry, okay?
Sorry, with rising intonation. Appropriate in almost every setting. Formal, informal, professional. It is your safest option in British English.
Could you say that again?
It is slightly more formal than sorry, but still perfectly natural in everyday conversation. It signals genuine effort on your part. You are not dismissing the speaker. You are requesting clarification.
Could you say that again?
Wait, are you practicing or did you actually not?
Both, I think.
Ideal. You have stumbled into the correct usage entirely by accident.
Could you say that again? Use this when you need the full sentence repeated. It's polite, clear, and works in any situation, formal or casual.
Phrase 3. I didn't quite catch that. This is softer, more British. The word quite here does a great deal of work. It softens the admission that you missed something entirely.
Right, so instead of, I had no idea what you just said, you say, I didn't quite catch that. It's friendly, low pressure.
I did not catch the fish this morning either. The tide was wrong.
The phrase is metaphorical, Angus.
Aye. Most things on land is exhausting.
But he's right that catch here means hear and understand. Like catching a ball. If it goes past you, you missed it.
I didn't quite catch that. Use this in semi-formal or professional contexts when you want to sound thoughtful rather than confused. The word quite makes it gentle.
Phrase 4, and this one's a little different. What do you mean by, this isn't about volume. You heard the words, you just don't know what they mean.
Precisely. This phrase asks for clarification, not repetition. If someone uses jargon, an idiom, or an expression you do not recognize, this is your phrase.
What do you mean by freelance threat assessment consultant?
Look, that's Ethan's job title, and it's a whole thing.
It means he used to hunt vampires, and now he lives in my bar.
In the sea we call that staying.
Okay, but perfect use of the phrase, Angus. He heard it. He didn't understand it, so he asked. That's exactly right.
What do you mean by, followed by the word or phrase you did not understand? This is for comprehension problems, not hearing problems. An important distinction. Phrase 5. Pardon? This is formal. Careful. Old-fashioned in the best possible sense. In Britain, it signals that you are polite, composed, and, crucially, that you are paying attention.
Yeah. What, on the other hand, which a lot of people default to, sounds abrupt. It's not rude exactly, but it can land wrong depending on the situation.
Yes?
I did not hear what you said about what.
I said that what can sound abrupt and formal.
Oh no.
I said, what? The word what can sound. This is not an accident, is it?
Nah, I understood everything, but it seemed like a good moment.
I mean, he's not wrong, though. Pardon versus what? Totally different energy. Pardon? What? In a professional setting or with someone you just met, stick with pardon or sorry. And please never just nod and pretend you understood. That is the #1 mistake. All right, quick recap. 5 ways to say you didn't understand. Sorry, safe, universal. Could you say that again? Clear, polite, any situation. I didn't quite catch that. Soft and professional. What do you mean by when you need meaning, not repetition? And pardon, formal, composed, very British.
If you take nothing else from this episode, take this. Nodding when you do not understand is not politeness. It is a trap you have set for your future self.
Yeah, don't do it. Any of these 5 phrases will save you every time.
If this was useful, the subscribe button is there. The like button is also there. Angus will now deliver your next episode preview.
Next time, you will teach how to speak of the weather. In the sea, weather is everything. On land, apparently, it is also everything. I do not understand why, but I am told it is how you begin conversations with strangers.
Fine, next episode, weather small talk.
Aye, she invited me back.
I did not.